Hello and welcome to Emster Capital YouTube channel. Today is the 27th day of December 2021, and in today's video we're going to look at WTI or US oil. As you can see on the chart, we have our labeling here 1 2 3 4 5, which we did a few months ago. If you have not watched that video, you can click the upper right hand corner where you can watch that video and come and continue with this one. In that video, we said that we are going on a 5 wave where we are having an ending diagonal. So we're going on a 5 wave, and after the diagonal, we're going to sell down. As you can see, we had a 1 2 3 4 5, and this was the end of the diagonal. So we sold down. So we've hit back on the channel and selling down as well. You can see we've done our A, which is this A here, our first A. We are moving towards our B. So when we go to the lower time frame, which is the 4 hour, you can see exactly what we are talking about. So this is our A, which we sold here down to in a 5 wave. 1 2 3 4 5, sold it down in an extended 5 wave. So as you can see, that was what we had here. We sold here. Then there is this buy, which is a 1 here, and we have our 2 here. Then we are going to our 3. But let's zoom in and see exactly what we are talking about here. So we had a draw a trend line here, draw another trend line here as well. See another diagonal here, just like on the daily time frame. We have another diagonal here, but this is an inverse, which is also within a correction, and it's also, as you can see written here, a Wolfe wave pattern. It's a Wolfe wave pattern. So as you can see, it's an A B. It was an A B C D E, and after the E we bought. So this is a 1, a 2 here, and we are going to the 3, and the 3, which is our B, major B, and as we have labeled here, this is our take profit. In our Telegram community, we posted an analysis on where WTI is going even before it began to buy. We posted, you can join our Telegram community for analysis, entry points, for signals. Join our Telegram community, have all of these things. So as you can see here, we have the correction here and the continuation here. But in a Wolfe wave, or for Wolfe waves, this is what happens, or this is what likely to happen. From wave A to wave D, draw a trend line, and typically for a Wolfe wave from point A to point D, that is where you're going to end. So it will go out a little bit out of the channel, then we'll sell down again. So this is the point we are looking at. So as you can see, we are moving in this direction. So this is just a correction after a 5 wave down to A. We are having a correction B. Then we are going down to our C. And how do we get also our point B? Since this is a correction, a zigzag to be precise, we measure from using our extension, then we drag it down to 2. So we see where 100 is exactly the point. There is also an extension sometimes where we can go to, there's an extension where we can go to also 161. But because of our Wolfe wave pattern, this is the likely turning point we are looking at. Because of a Wolfe wave pattern, this is our likely turning point, which is around 76.881. That's where we are looking at. Then from our B, we move down to our C. So let's go to the daily, the higher time frames on the daily. Then we see where we will be going. All of these things, all of these signals and more, you can get them on our Telegram community, Emster Capital. So on our Telegram community, you can get all of these things. So join our Telegram community. So just like we explained with the Wolfe wave pattern, there's also with the ending diagonal pattern. After the wave 5, you draw your from point 1 to point 4. From point 1 to point 4 again. That's what we do, point 1 to point 4, as you can see here. So where are we expecting our C? This is the zone or the area we are expecting our C. So it is very clear, as you can see, this is a 1 2 3 4 5 pattern, which is an ending diagonal, which has completed. Then now we have our correction, which is 1 2 3 4 5 A, and we have a 1 2 3 B. Then this is going to be our C down. So we have a 5 3 5, which is a zigzag. This is going to be our correction, a 5 3 5 correction on the daily time frame. So this is where we are expecting to end around this zone, this zone. That's where we are coming to. So when we go a little, this is where we are talking about. We are coming around this zone, and that's what we've been saying all along. You can check our previous videos at the upper right hand corner. So if you want to pick the WTI trade, join our Telegram community. We'll give the entry point after the B. After we've completed B, we'll give you the entry points when exactly the point to enter this trade, so that you can make some pips. Like, comment whichever pairs or cryptos or commodities you want us to analyze for you or analyze. We'll be glad to do all of those ones. This is Emster Capital analysis on WTI US oil.